Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here, Trade Station, looking at these options that are expiring. First one up, Beyond, it's fine. Cleveland Cliffs is expiring. Let's see if I can roll that forward a bit for a credit. So it's in the money kind of deep, but they've come down a little bit in the past couple days. So it might be able to roll this forward. I know it'll probably tie up a little bit of capital doing that, but let's see if we can get some cash out of it. We'll go back later and check that out. What else we got? Coinbase. Really like Coinbase a lot. Already rolled that one forward. We'll see what happens there next week. I think it expires next week. Yep. And Nakamoto's come down quite a bit. Still okay. Go EV. I like it a lot. Lucid. Yep. Alright. Fine. Palantir. Love that company. Just going to take 100% credit on those puts. That's good. Alright. Alright. Looks like everything else is out there. Riot. 100% credit there. Looks like we're way out of the money, so that's good. Really like Riot a lot. Bitcoin's going up. SoFi. Okay, so SoFi in the money a bit. About $1. I'm still making profit on it. I could just take the stock. Or I could make some more money on the stock. On this option. Let's see what we can do here. If Trade Station will cooperate. Come on, guys. Taking a long time. Costing me money. Alright, let's see what we got. Not terrible. Yeah, 12 cents for a week. It's not enough. I mean, it's near the money. Let's go out another week. It's better. It's double. So, okay, we're just going to keep adding and adding and adding. Let's see, 50 cents. I'll take that. It's pretty good. How about this? How about month expiration? That's pretty good. I like that. Deal with that. 64 cents about. Okay. Let's see if that will go through for us. Alright. Now, let's see what else we got. Alright. So that hasn't gone through just yet. I might just take the stock. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's see what else do we have. That's it. The Workhorse expires next month, so I think we're fine with that right now. Anyway, guys, if you want to see more of this, subscribe to my channel.